From mesmerizing art pieces to awe-inspiring symphonies and even riveting text compositions, generative AI uses neural networks to create content that transcends human imagination. But how does it all work? Join us as we delve into the wonders of generative AI and witness its innovative potential to transform industries and redefine the boundaries of human imagination. Generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content, such as images, videos, texts, or music, using big datasets as its base. Rather than relying on predefined rules, it learns from instances to produce innovative and creative results. The core of generative AI is neural networks, which are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Two popular design infrastructures driving generative AI's capabilities are Generative Adversarial Networks and Variational Autoencoders. Art has also benefited greatly from generative AI. It has worked with artists to inspire and produce new artistic expressions, pushing the boundaries of creativity and blurring the barriers between human creativity and artificial intelligence innovation. Generative AI is revolutionizing content creation in the film and entertainment industry. By automating the generation of special effects, scenery, and even entire characters, it streamlines production processes and opens up new creative possibilities. Although generative AI produces amazing results, it has difficulties sustaining ethical use. Concerns about privacy violations and the potential for creating fake content, calling for responsible development and deployment of this technology. The influence of generative AI goes beyond entertainment and the arts. In the healthcare industry, it helps with drug discovery, medical imaging analysis, and even creating synthetic patient data to preserve privacy while advancing research. Generative AI is advancing the field of drug discovery and development. By analyzing vast databases of molecular structures and interactions, it assists in identifying potential new drugs and optimizing existing ones, speeding up the process of bringing life-saving medications to the market. In scientific research, generative AI plays a crucial role in simulating complex phenomena and generating synthetic data for experiments. It accelerates scientific discovery by providing researchers with valuable insights and reducing the need for costly real-world experiments. Despite its achievements, generative AI faces challenges in generating coherent and contextually relevant content consistently. Researchers strive to strike a balance between creativity and coherence to produce high-quality outputs. The future of generative AI is bright and filled with possibilities. As the technology advances, we can expect even more exciting and practical applications across industries, empowering human potential through AI collaboration. And there you have it, a glimpse into the boundless possibilities of generative AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.